Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my 7th lesson of Introduction to Set Theory. This lesson is equally important for D2, D4 students and students of class 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10th of PTB and the students who are preparing the CIE examination. In this lesson, we will discuss the operations on sets. Before going to the lesson, there are some key terms that we have to understand. That what does the term union means? The union means the collection of all elements and its symbol is U. Intersection means the common elements only and its symbol is U upside down. Then A minus B, the difference between two sets, and then A complement or A dash is read as A complement. And then what is the universal? Universal is a set consisting of all possible elements of the sets under consideration. Let's move to the actual lesson. The first operation, like for the numbers, we have four basic operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Same for sets. The basic operations are union, intersection, difference and complements. Let's first understand the definitions and concepts of these terms. Union. The union of two sets A and B is the set consisting of all elements which are in set A or in set B or in both the sets. Means whatever are the elements in set A or whatever are the elements of set B, we have to combine those all elements in order, but there has to be no repetition. For the union, you can understand the concept by making a fruit salad, that in fruit salad we mix all the fruits together and you get the union. Intersection of two sets. The intersection of two sets A and B is the set consisting of all common elements of set A and B. That for intersection we just have to take the common elements, those elements which are present in A and present in B, only those elements. Coming to the third concept, that is the difference between two sets. Difference between two sets A and B is the set of all the elements of A which are not in B, and in symbols we have to write the difference between two sets like A minus B. Then the complement of a set. If U is the universal and A is the subset of U, then the complement of A is the set of those elements of universal which are not in A. It means that the complement or the difference both are same, but in difference of two sets we have to take the difference between two sets only, and for the complement we have to take the difference from the universal set. Let's understand these all terms with the help of example. If we have the set A of A, E, I and O, and B is the set containing the elements A, B and C, then as a union means the collection of all the elements which are present in A or B both. So A union B, we can see that A is present in set A and set B as well, but we will write once only and then we have to go in a sequence. Then the next letter which comes after A is B, then C, then E, I and O. It means that for the union we are writing all the elements of both the sets. Coming to the second operation, which is intersection. Intersection means the common elements only. If we look at both the sets, we can see A is the only common element between two sets, so the intersection will be A. Coming to the third operation, that is A minus B. A minus B is the difference between two sets. Now if you look at A is having A, E, I and O and B is having A, B and C. The concept of difference is that it is the set of all the elements of A which are not in B. If we look at both the sets, A is in both the sets, so we are not going to write A in the difference. Then the next element which is A, which is in A but not in B, is E, and then I and then O. This is the difference. Now let's move to the next example and try to understand the concept of complement. For the complement, we have to take the difference from the universal. If I'm taking the universal A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O and P, then if I want to take the complement, symbolically we have to write it as A complement, and conceptually I have to take away the elements of A from universal. This is the set universal, and I'm taking away set A, E, I, and O. Now, in the answer, what I have to do, I have to write the remaining elements of universal in A complement. If we look at both the sets, universal and A, set element A is present in both the sets, so we are not going to take it, we are going to exclude it. Then we have to start the answer of universal from B, C, D. E is present in both, so we are not going to write E. Then F, G, H, and I is present in universal and your set A as well, so we are going to remove that I, J, K, L, M, N, and we are not going to write O because O is in universal and O is in set A as well. So the complement will be B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, and P. I hope through this all discussion you are clear about basic 4 operations on sets. These concepts are really important for understanding of next lessons. Please watch this lesson carefully. Watch my lessons, like, share and subscribe the channel, and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.